Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Confirm the plate is yours and legal to remove, then gather tools, screwdriver set, socket, penetrating oil, gloves. You position the car on level ground and engage the parking brake. Once done, wipe grime from around fasteners so you can see heads clearly. This prevents slipping. You use the correct bit to avoid stripping. If a screw feels frozen, apply penetrating oil and wait a few minutes. Then back the fastener out slowly, holding the plate to prevent it dropping and scratching the bumper. You continue by loosening each fastener about 1 to 2 turns first so the plate remains stable while you work. Once loose, remove screws fully while supporting the plate with your other hand. If you face anti-theft screws, use the matching driver or an extractor designed for that head. Do not force tools that will damage the car. For illuminated or bracket-mounted plates, disconnect any wiring gently. For adhesive-backed plates, slide a plastic pry tool between plate and bumper and work slowly to release the bond without peeling. You finish by cleaning the mounting area. Remove grit and adhesive residue so the new plate sits flush. Once done, store the removed plate flat in a protective wrap and label it if needed for transfer or return. Re-inspect screw holes and brackets, replace any rusted hardware, and consider thread locker for vibration. If a fastener strips or seizes, don't rush. Apply penetrating oil, use an extractor or vice grips, or drill as a last resort. If paint or body is at risk, stop and consult a body shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.